So in this video, let's see why most of the developer uses Yarn over NPM to manage their packages. See, Yarn stand for Yet Another Resource Navigator, which uses for package manager, and NPM stand for Node Package Manager. Okay, both are used for package management. But why developer uses NPM? When you are fresher, you are using NPM. See, what's the actual difference when you are adding a package using Yarn? It's fetched from your system repository. Okay, but if we are using NPM, then it fetch package from online repository, which is present online on the internet. So that's why there is a time delay to fetch package. Okay, so I will show you with the code. Let's see, we have two applications. One is built with NPM and React, and another with Yarn. Okay, so we will install a React icon package with NPM. Install React icons, and we say save it, and here also we will use the same. Okay, Yarn add React icon save. Okay, so let's run both at same time. Let's run this and let's run this, and let's see which one will execute first. So you can see Yarn started installing its packages. Meanwhile, NPM is still loading. As you can see here, our Yarn package is installed. So that's why we use YARN over NPM. Subscribe for more videos.